So I was watching the review of the diving competitions at the Olympics 2024 in Paris last night, and I saw Tonia Couch for the first time ever, and I was interested in who she was, and I came to her Wikipedia page, and I came across this table, and immediately I found it interesting, and it's this table that I would like to talk about. All I did was I came to this page, copied and pasted it into Excel. Let's go there now, see what I did with it. I took away the TH, the ND, the RD and ST and so on. So these are values. And what struck me about this table almost immediately was what I did down at the bottom, which is as follows. I added together the value of all placings from 2003, when you'll find that Tonia was 14, all the way through to 2017, when she was 28. Seems to be the end of her diving career. She's now 35 years old, for reference. I then counted how many competitions she'd been entered in the relevant years. So 1, 2, 6, 5, 4, as you can see. And then I calculated the average. So I use the sum function here. I use the count function here. And I could have done 17 divided by 1, but I didn't. I used the average function to find the average. And what did we find? What did I learn from doing that? 17, 14.5, 11, 4, 9, 5, 6, 3. And the peak of her career, 2012, when she was 23 years of age, was here when the average placing was second place, plus or minus, and then it reverted outwards again. I calculated age in a very simple way. There we are, based on being 35 now, and then you can see the calculation. I'll leave it there for a second. You see how I did it. Finally, I then recorded number of first places. Her first place was in 2007 when she was 18. There were 2 of them. And then when she was 21, 1, then 2, then 3. Second places, third places. And then I thought the most meaningful reference is probably top 3 finishes. So first and second and third in any given year. So first, second and third, second, first, second and third, and so on. So there we are, raw table, interesting. I found it interesting. I saw the pattern straight away. Now let's take a look at some graphs that I drew. When you create line charts from that table, what you see is this. I've put number of first places, number of second places, and number of third places on the graph, like that. And it's a bit messy. I didn't like it. Very simple to draw, by age, by value. Average placing by age. So I improved on that. Now I've got the number of competitions by age, number of competitions, and can you see it's sort of an N shape? Let's call it an N shape. And then the average placing falls, and it becomes a U shape. In other words, starting at the age of 14, as she gets older, she gets better. More competitions, and her placings are lower and lower. Hence the U shape. And the peak of her career was when she was 23. Among the most competitions in that year, and obviously highest placings. Now, my top 3 finishes. So by age, no top 3 finishes until she gets to 18. And then now you can see it's a sort of a mountain graph. So it gets better and better and better, and then it falls away. As with anyone's career, I suppose, better and better, they peak at some stage, and then it falls away. So there we are then, Tonia Couch from that table, using some basic Excel functionality, we're able to determine the career path that Tonia followed. And good luck to her. Well, thank you for watching with me, Duncan Williamson.